Once upon a time, there was a little duck named Deffy. Now, Deffy was smaller than the other ducklings, and he had a tiny bent wing. While the other ducklings waddled and swam and fluttered about, Deffy could barely flap his wings. "Maybe ducks like me aren't meant to fly," he said one day. But every evening as the sun set, Deffy watched the birds flying across the sky, and he felt a deep longing in his heart. He knew that he was meant to fly. So while the other ducks slept, Deffy practiced flapping his wings. He did stretches with the frogs, and he even asked a wise owl how to fly. "You may not fly like them," the owl said, blinking slowly, "but that doesn't mean you won't fly at all." Then one morning, a strong breeze swept over the pond, and Deffy, with a pounding heart, wings abuzz, climbed the tallest hill and jumped. He tumbled at first, then floated, and then for just a moment soared. He couldn't go very far, and he wobbled a lot, but he was flying. From that day on, Deffy became known as the duck who never gave up. And though he didn't fly the highest or the fastest, he flew with the biggest heart.